Hello, my name is Chris, and welcome to my fourth video on Java programming. Today we will learn about typecasting, commenting our code, and string concatenation. The topics in this video are fairly simple and also somewhat scattered, meaning this video won't be as long. Regardless, these topics are still very important, so let's get started. You might recall from a previous video that it's difficult to convert from doubles to ints in Java. Today we are going to learn how to do that with typecasting. Typecasting essentially changes the type of a variable to another. To do this, place the type you want to convert to in parentheses, followed by the variable you want to convert, and finally store this in your variable. Make sure the type of the new variable and the type you are casting to match. This conversion isn't perfect, however. When casting from a double to an int, the number gets truncated, and everything after the decimal gets cut off. Don't confuse this with rounding the number. The number you are casting will always be converted to the greatest integer less than or equal to the decimal number. We will learn how to round double variables to the nearest integer in a later video. The next topic for this video is commenting. Commenting Java code is very important in helping others understand what you've written. It's good to get into a habit of commenting your code for your sake and for the sake of anyone else who reads it. Anything written as comments gets completely ignored by Java, so it won't affect any of the code you write. There are two ways of commenting in Java. The first method is commenting on a single line. To do this, you simply write two forward slashes. Anything written after these slashes on the same line will be considered a comment. The second way to comment in Java is by writing a forward slash and a star, then a star and a forward slash. These comments can span multiple lines, so anything written between the first slash and the second slash will be considered comments, regardless of their locations. Finally, we will discuss a string operation called concatenation. Concatenating two strings simply means you are combining them or adding them together. To combine two strings, you simply use the plus operator surrounded by two string operands. Even though you were using a plus operator, don't get this confused with numeric addition, as they are two different operations. The concatenation operation can be used when storing a new string value, and also inside print statements, just like any other operator. In addition to concatenating two strings, you can also concatenate other variables, as long as one of the operands is still a string. All concatenations, whether you use one string or two strings, will always result in a string value. Using this operation, we can now include headers in the front of our variables, print values within a sentence, and do other things with our outputs. Do notice, however, that concatenation does not add any additional spaces, and we have to include any spaces we want ourselves. We will talk more about concatenation and other string concepts in a later video. The topics covered in this video were somewhat random. First, we learned how to typecast from doubles to integers and how it cuts off anything after the number's decimal point. We also learned two ways of commenting in Java, single-line commenting and multiple-line commenting. Finally, we learned the concatenation operator, which can be used to combine two strings or a string in any other variable. Next video, we will learn how to put what we've learned so far to use with conditional statements. Thank you for watching and have a great day.